In today's video, I have a really exciting Bible resource to share with you guys that your kids are absolutely going to love. Keep watching. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. I've been reviewing a bunch of different curriculum and resources for you guys so that you guys can have the best stuff this homeschool year. And today I want to share with you something that I was walking through the convention center and I saw this exhibitor and I had never heard of them before and I fell in love. And today we're talking about Kingstone comics. They were so amazing in sending me a bunch of resources to share with you guys today, and I cannot wait to talk to you more about them. Kingstone Comics' goal is to teach the Bible and Christian teachings in a way that anybody can understand. In fact, study shows that we can process visual images multiple times faster than text. The Kingstone comic format conveys information, and a large amount of it in a short amount of time. I specifically asked for the Rapture series because my son right now, this summer, is reading some of the books in the Left Behind Kids series and he's really interested in these. So we are gonna check these out. But I also thought this was amazing. It's called the 101 Questions About the Bible and Christianity, and I can't wait to take you guys into this. Let's take a quick glance while I talk more about why Kingstone Comics creates this information in comic style. Neurological experiments have shown that we process text and images in different areas of the brain. This is known as the dual coding theory of cognition. Now, I'm getting all of this stuff from their website. These experiments also indicate that pairing an image with text leads to increased memory retention for both. Processing text and images together leads to better recall and transfer of learning. We remember visuals better because they're processed in our long-term memory. With visuals, students not only learn the material faster, but they learn it better. Now, graphic novels can be a powerful attraction and motivation for kids to read, and they also have a particular success with reluctant readers, especially boys. Graphic novels with their plots and storytelling can be used by both reluctant and advanced readers, and as an avenue for anyone who finds the Bible intimidating. These comics are perfect for anyone who is a struggling reader, for special needs students, and even for English language learners. So let me show you the table of contents to the 101 questions about the Bible. You got to see a little bit inside of it. In here, you're going to see 101 questions about the Bible. What is the Bible? I'm gonna skip. It talks about what are the 10 commandments, and it even goes through each and every commandment on its own. It talks about how the Bible was preserved. How did they choose what to put in the Bible? What is the proof of the Bible? So there's questions about the Bible itself. Then you have questions about Christianity, such as, how do we know that God exists? Where was Jesus for the 3 days between his crucifixion and the resurrection? What is the Trinity? Then you have the tough questions, such as, does God still speak to us today? Is lying ever acceptable? How can you believe the Bible story of a talking snake? Then you have life questions. Will animals and our pets be in heaven? Is gambling a sin? How can I grow in prayer? Then you have questions about the supernatural. Does the Bible mention aliens and UFOs? What does the Bible say about demons? If God made me like this, isn't it his fault? And then you have questions about the supernatural. What does the Bible say about angels, demons, ghosts? Is there such thing as fate? Where did all the water go after the great flood? Why did people in the Bible live so long? So the first comic I have in the Tribulation series is called The Rapture. The second one is The Antichrist. The third one is about the kingdom. The fourth one is called Eternals. The fifth one is called Angels. The sixth one, and these are two separate ones. This one is called The Acts of God, and this one is called The Bride. These comic books are perfect, and you can use them in so many ways. So you can either use them as your Bible source, like your Bible curriculum. You can have them read it on their free time. You can have it for their read alone time. You can have it in your morning basket. You can go through a question or two a day. You can have them read a question or two by themselves a day. For personally, I can see my son going through this on his own. I'm gonna leave it out on our coffee table so that while I'm helping my daughter and he's taking a break, he can go through these books and read them on his own. So these are gonna be a great addition to any homeschool. I wanna thank Kingstone so much for sending me these amazing resources. And if you wanna see how we're gonna be using this in our homeschool, make sure that you subscribe, and that way you can see our day in the life videos, which will show you how we're using these and all of our other resources that I've been sharing here on this channel. I'm also gonna post the link to this company in the description below so you guys can check that out for yourself. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.